Please like this interesting story and hit the subscribe button. Today, I am going to tell you a very special and heart-touching story. This is the story of a poor village boy named Ravi. He had no money, no good clothes, and no chance to study. But he had a big dream to learn, to grow, and to become something great in life. Let's begin. Story title: Ravi and the Magic Shoes, A Journey from Poor to Proud. Ravi was a young boy who lived in a small village. His family was very poor. His father worked as a farmer, and his mother helped him in the fields. They had a small house with no fan, no fridge, and no proper bathroom. Ravi did not have good clothes or shoes. He wore the same old shirt for many years. His shoes had holes, and during the rainy season, his feet got wet. But Ravi had a kind heart. He never complained. He always smiled and helped his parents. He loved reading and writing, but he could not go to school because they did not have money. Every day, Ravi woke up early and helped his father in the field. In the evening, he went to the market to sell vegetables. He watched other children go to school with their school bags and uniforms. He felt sad, but he still hoped that one day, he would also study and become someone important. One day, while coming back from the market, Ravi saw an old man sitting under a tree. The man looked very tired and hungry. Ravi gave him a bottle of water and some fruits. The old man smiled and said, "Thank you, Ravi. You are a good boy. I want to give you a gift." The old man took out a pair of old shoes from his bag. The shoes were dirty, and they looked like they were not useful. But the old man said, "These are magic shoes. They are not normal shoes. They will help you if you are honest, kind, and hardworking. But if you lie or become lazy, the shoes will become heavy, and you will not be able to walk properly." Ravi did not believe him at first, but he accepted the gift and thanked the man. He wore the shoes and walked home. The shoes were old, but they fit him perfectly. The next morning, Ravi went to the market again. He helped an old lady cross the road. The shoes suddenly felt warm and light. Later, he cleaned the street in front of his house. Again, the shoes felt soft and comfortable. But in the evening, when Ravi became angry with a boy and shouted at him without reason, the shoes became tight and painful. Ravi understood the magic. The shoes were teaching him to be a good person. From that day, Ravi decided to be honest, kind, and hardworking every day. He woke up early, helped his parents, and also started reading old books he found in the garbage. He used a dictionary to understand the meaning of English words. He read loudly to improve his speaking. He also practiced speaking in front of a mirror. He said, "My name is Ravi. I live in a village. I want to learn English. I want to speak English well." Every day, he practiced more. One day, he told his parents that he wanted to go to school. His parents were surprised and said, "We don't have money for school, Ravi." But Ravi said, "I will work in the morning and study in the evening. Please let me try." He found a job at a small tea shop. He worked there from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. With the money he earned, he bought books, notebooks, and a school uniform. He joined a government school in the nearby town. Every day, he walked 5 kilometers to school and back. Sometimes it rained, and sometimes it was very hot, but he never stopped. He studied hard, and the magic shoes always helped him feel strong and light. One day, the school announced an English storytelling competition. The winner would get a prize of 10,000 Indian rupees and their story would be printed in the newspaper. Ravi wanted to participate, but many students laughed at him. They said, "You can't win. You are poor, and you can't speak English well." But Ravi did not listen to them. He wrote a story about a poor boy who became successful because he worked hard and helped others. He gave the story to his teacher. After 1 week, the results were announced. Ravi was the winner. Everyone clapped for him. His story was printed in the newspaper, and people from the village came to congratulate him. His parents were very proud. They cried happy tears and hugged him. The school invited Ravi to speak on stage. He felt scared, but he wore his magic shoes and walked up. He took a deep breath and said, "Good morning, everyone. My name is Ravi. I come from a small village. I did not have money, but I had a dream. I worked hard. I helped people. I studied every day. And now, I am here. If I can do it, you can too." The audience clapped loudly. Everyone was inspired. After this, many good things started to happen. A teacher gave Ravi free English coaching. A kind man gave his father a better job. Ravi got a scholarship to study in a big school in the city. He moved to the city, lived in a hostel, and studied day and night. He read many books, listened to English podcasts, and made new friends who spoke in English. His English improved a lot. Years passed. Ravi finished school, then college. He became a famous writer and speaker. He wrote books in English to help poor children learn easily. He went to many schools and villages to give free classes and tell his story. He never forgot his village. He built a new school there and named it Magic Steps School. On the opening day, he placed his old magic shoes in a glass box at the entrance of the school. He said to the children, "These shoes helped me become who I am." But the real magic is not in the shoes. The real magic is inside you. When you work hard, speak the truth, and never give up, you can do anything. Ravi became a hero for many children. His story showed that you don't need money or luck to be successful. You only need honesty, kindness, and hard work. Ravi always said, "Believe in yourself. Learn a little every day. Don't be afraid of English. Practice it. Speak it. Use small words. Make mistakes. It's okay. That's how we learn." His message gave hope to many boys and girls. His own life was proof that even a poor boy from a small village could become great, just by doing the right things, one step at a time. Please like this interesting story and hit the subscribe button.